Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how you can use QuickBooks Online for churches. So, first thing that you should do when you set up your church account is you have to log in to QuickBooks Online or sign up for an account. So after that, tap on the settings icon that you can find here. So this one, and then you have to select the account and the settings. Okay, and then here, go to the company tab. That's right. And then under the company tab, you have to choose the nonprofit organization. Okay, so let's just go to the advanced option. And for the company type that we can find here, tap on the edit option and then select the nonprofit organization. Okay, and then you just have to tap on the save option. Next is we have to customize your chart of accounts. So to do that, you just have to simply click on the accounting option. So let's close this section once again. Okay, and then tap on the settings. Okay, and then go to the accounting. Okay, so just go here and then just go to the chart of accounts. So to add new categories, you just have to tap on the new account option that you can find here. So we can create under the income like tithes, offerings, love gifts, mission givings, building, and income. So here I'm just going to tap on offerings. That's right. And then for the account type, make sure to select the income. Okay. And then here, if you want to make this a sub account, so you just have to check this mark right here. And then if you'd like to add a description, then you just have to tap on it. After that, tap on the save option. Okay, next is we are going to create these options for the expenses. So we have pastor support, ministry supplies, worship team, and building maintenance utilities. If you want to add those, okay, tap on the create and then put it under the expenses. Okay, so after that, you just have to create a new expenses. You just have to put here the details of the pastor support, ministry supplies, worship team, outreach, building maintenance, and utilities. So here you just have to go to the sales section. So just go to the all apps option. That's right, and tap on the sales and get paid. Okay, so right here, you will be able to see the new sales receipt at the upper right. So to create a new one, you just have to tap on it. Okay, and then you just have to fill out the customer or the donor's name, the product and services, types of offerings, the amount, the class, the ministry. So for example, right here, for the customer, I'm just going to select this one. And then I just have to put here the information. Okay, so right here, just have to choose the info. All right, and then of course, the next thing that we are going to do here is to click the save and close option. So this one right here, once you are done filling out this section. Now, the next one is recording the church expenses. So you can click the expenses on the left menu. Okay, so we have the expenses and bills right here. All right, and then if you'd like to create a new expenses, so just tap on the new transaction option at the top right of our screen and then select the expenses. That's right. Okay, and then for the pay, you can put here the pastor gift, worship team. Okay, for example, pastor gift. All right, and then next is the payment account. Okay, and then for the payment account, so for example, you're going to put here the church checking. Okay, church checking. All right, so I'm just going to add this new one, and then the payment date, and also the payment method, and then the category right here. So you just have to fill out the information, and then after adding the amount, then you'll be able to see the total amount right here. After that, you just have to save and close this section. Next is reconciling the bank account. So to do that, you just have to tap on the accounting option and then select the reconcile. Okay, so for the accounting, So click the accounting, and then I just have to tap on the reconcile. That's right. And then I just have to choose your bank account. Okay, so you can connect your bank account, of course, first. So to do that, you just have to simply tap on the connect now option, and you'll be able to see here the steps that you should follow in order for you to connect your account. So here, and into with the privacy and security of your information are top priority. So you just have to follow the next step. Okay, and then after that, you would be able to see here now, and you'll be able to reconcile your bank account. So just choose your bank account right here. Okay, so after that is running the church reports. So how you can run the church reports? So just have to tap on again the reports option that you can find here, and then tap on the statement of activity, profit and loss by class, or the statement of financial position, the donor contribution summary, and the budget versus the actual. So we have here the business overview. So for example, we have here the profit and loss by customer. So when you tap on this option, you would be able to see here the reports. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then if you would like to specify the report period, so just simply tap on this one, and then you just have to choose your period. Okay, and then we have here the date range, and then the accounting method. Okay, so you'll be able to see here the income, the cost of sales, the gross profit, and then the net earnings. Then after that, you just have to save this section. So going back here, for example, you would like to check the statement of activity by the tag group. So tap on it, and then here you'll be able to see here now the report. Okay, and then if you would like to create annual donation statements, so again, let's go back here and tap on the reports option. And then we have the search for the donor contribution summary. Okay, donor contribution summary. Okay, so if you have that, you'll be able to see that right here. So using the QuickBooks Online for churches brings a lot of practical benefits that make financial management easier and more organized. It helps you track donations, tithes, and offerings accurately, so every peso is accounted for and properly recorded. Since it is cloud-based, authorized church staff can access the financial records anytime and anywhere, which is helpful for pastors, treasurers, and finance teams. It also makes budgeting simpler because you can create categories for ministries, events, and projects, allowing you to see exactly where the funds are going. So QuickBooks Online also provides clear and professional reports, making it easier to present financial updates to church leaders and members. So the system reduces errors by automating tasks like recurring expenses and generating receipts. Overall, it brings transparency, efficiency, and peace of mind to church financial management. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.